fancy. Ooh. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Okay. It is 30 degrees outside. It's cold. I want something warm and comforting and delicious. So I'm gonna make a lugaw, also called arroz caldo. It's essentially a rice porridge with chicken and vegetables and garlic and ginger. Lugaw is kind of also like a Filipino risotto. Essentially taking rice, putting a lot of liquid in it, making it porridge-like, thick, warm, comforting. It's a warm hug in a bowl. I remember when I was sick and run down, and I'd come downstairs and I'd see my dad make a big pot of lugaw for me, and it was just so I'm gonna make that today. Some ingredients to highlight in lugaw: ginger spice. Ginger has been known to be an anti-nausea agent. Ginger has also been seen to have anti-inflammatory components. Lemon has a lot of vitamin C, antioxidant. What else are we going to need? We're gonna need white onion, glutinous rice. So either get glutinous rice or I have here sweet rice. Once again, you'll need a ginger, lemon, lots and lots of garlic. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I think typically it's chicken thighs, chicken breasts, a little bit less fat, a little bit leaner cut. And sesame oil, garlic powder, pepper, and I want to up the nutrient value in this lugaw. So I'm gonna add a little bit more vegetables. Bok choy, baby bok choy, and baby bell mushrooms. Upping the nutrient value, right? Add veggies to everything, yeah. Ooh, girl. Oh my gosh, I should wash this first. Bok choy. My mom actually, my mom's nickname for my dad is bok, and it's short for tambok, which means fat. She calls him tambok because of his fat feet. Either way, mom, that's kind of rude. So she just shortened it to bok, and it's now developed to bok choy. So my mom calls my dad bok choy. And for the mushrooms, I bought mushrooms that are already sliced. Okay, in goes the onions. Oh my god, I'm the worst at cutting onions, bro. Look. We're also gonna add the garlic and ginger. Garlic burns really fast, so you wanna keep it moving. And I'm gonna end up shredding this. I'm just gonna do 2 breaths. I'm just gonna add some pepper. Now I'm just gonna add about a cup of the rice and then about 5 cups of water. That should do it. Just gonna do a quick stir. And then you're gonna bring it to a boil and then simmer it for about an hour. Full of mushrooms. Okay, this looks pretty good. So there's about 6 minutes left on my timer. I just took the chicken out, and I'm just gonna shred it with 2 forks. This is the thickness you should be looking for. Oh my gosh. If you want more flavor, instead of water, you could use chicken broth, turkey broth, beef broth, vegetable broth, whatever broth. I put a little bit of this. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon Add sesame oil. Do I measure? No. Okay. Then I'm gonna put my sauteed vegetables in there. Give it a good mix. This looks bomb. This came out way better than I thought. The typical toppings are fried garlic, green onion, hard-boiled egg on there. But this is my version, healthified version. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Make this. You won't regret it. Bye.